it's here.
Oh, is that it?
I'm watching not be it. Bro, this is gonna look so good. I am very hyped.
Oh, yeah, it's in there. It's in there.
The new C8, baby. Check it out, y'all. Just kidding.
It's a base Corvette. It's not even Z06.
I got the same one.
You're all wearing the same shirt.
Yo, what are you wearing, Aiden?
Today we actually have two surprises for you guys. First of all, I'm getting a vehicle that's been away for a full month. We did $100,000 worth of modifications that we'll go over in just a bit.
So
I am pumped to see it. We've seen pictures of it.
It's gonna be crazy.
It looks nuts. And then second, a totally brand new car that is one of the most hyped cars that I will drive a lot, and it's just crazy that it even exists in my opinion.
It might be the car you put the most miles on.
I seriously think so.
It's gonna be crazy.
Yes.
So we got some fun stuff for you guys.
Here it comes. God, that thing is huge.
Dude, it's massive.
It's
looks
a yacht.
amazing.
Oh, they put the little badge on it. The little carbon fiber Mansory badge. Nice.
Black wheels or silver wheels on this? I think the silver wheels make the car. They're amazing.
I think the silver wheels are
I think they look really good. I do want to point out that the wheels were mounted properly because they swoop, they don't dig. A wheel's supposed to gently, if it's directional, it gently hits the ground.
It looks so gangster, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Well, the front's all blacked out now.
Yeah, it is. So it's got the full carbon body kit. We had all the trim painted black. Even was the hood ornament even chrome?
It was chrome, yeah.
Very nice.
They added like sparkles.
Oh,
Works great.
It's smudged. It's still wet, the paint.
You have to like yank on it.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. The kit, the wheels, suspension, chrome delete, it looks like a different car.
Completely different.
It looks so good, dude.
Tommy's gonna put his face right in front.
I mean, first thing first, I feel like right off the bat, the chrome delete makes a huge difference because the front had so much chrome initially. Obviously, the Spirit Ecstasy is not here anymore, but that was blacked out. I think these lights are new. I think this was...
Dude, it looks like the entire like lower part is new.
Yeah.
Like, that doesn't
this
look
whole
factory.
thing, yeah.
Like it
I
looks
think
like from here down.
There.
Like it looks like it's a whole new bumper.
Probably is.
Yeah, it's night and day.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Oh dude, that looks so yeah, it just had a teeny.
Huge difference.
So much better.
Oh, I like this black.
Huge difference.
Yeah.
So there was actually a Phantom that was just before this gen, before they did like they changed the
The
headlights.
Starry Night headlights. There's a couple other things they added. The 2023 Phantom, they added a few things.
And so there was one that Chicago Motor Cars had that sold me on it actually. I saw it, it had like some brushed wheels on it. And I'm like, wow, that is one of the coolest looking Rolls Royces I've ever seen. And that's when I learned about Mansory, and that's when I'm ultimately like, I need to get myself one of these things. So now we have the newest possible Phantom that you can have with the Mansory kit. And look at all that carbon. Also got my Mansory certificate stamped from Germany. Should I put that card in my wallet? That'd be funny. Like,
You pull over and you're like, it means nothing.
So the side is a little more subtle. It looks like they just have the full arrow piece alongside with Mansory badging.
Yeah, they blocked that out.
I don't know if, okay, yeah, is that just an add-on?
I'm pretty sure it was chrome before.
I think it was chrome for sure. Yeah, they had the little carbon Mansory badge.
That's really the side? Oh, I mean, dude, I forgot the biggest part of the side.
Freaking wheels. Yeah.
The wheels with the
so
floating
first thing, Steve was like, maybe we should have gone black. Dude, I think the two-tone polished satin silver wheels.
No, I agree. I think they look really good. To me, like black on black is a 10 out of 10. These are like a 9 out of 10, but I also understand that. No, I don't think it
it's not a bad thing. Yeah, no, I agree.
What do you think, Jack?
I like the silver one more now.
I think they look really good.
So silver's coming back, obviously. If you guys are looking at new builds and stuff, silver's back in full force, and I think these set this car off. Although black would have looked gangster too. I know what you're saying.
They're also like the craziest design wheels. Like, how do you forge this? Like, there's little slits and everything going throughout. Like, how do you make that?
We want to thank our homies over at Vossen for hooking up a great deal on these wheels. And you know where you can get Vossen wheels? You can get Vossen wheels from fitmentindustries.com. And if you have a truck or an Escalade or something, you can also go to customoffsets.com.
They knocked it out really fast too.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this thing was supposed to take a lot longer.
Yeah, Wheels Boutique in Miami did the whole kit for us, and the thing, it took like 4 weeks. I thought it was gonna be a lot longer. They're black.
Yeah.
I don't know if they might be different tips though.
I think they're different tips. It's got a whole new diffuser. I would assume they're different
Probably
tips.
new tips too.
Boston gave us a license plate cover.
I know. They took off the
Kind of sick, to be honest.
It is.
So we got the little carbon, tiny little spoiler, I guess we'll call it, or arrow piece on the deck lid, and then we have the bottom trim piece.
You think that's a whole new bumper too, then, Tommy? It's got to be, because
I think so.
Yeah.
what? That's it's like carbon and then it's black, so they must whole thing
it's
must
part
be
of it.
carbon.
Yeah.
This is also another good time to shout out our homies over at Wheels Boutique in Miami. They did an awesome job on this, clearly. They hooked us up with a great deal, and if you ever need a Mansory kit on the many vehicles that you can get a Mansory on, then those are the guys to go to.
They do a lot more than Mansory, but they did Mansory for us and it turned out amazing.
It did.
It's awesome.
That is true.
I also love this chrome delete. These are like some meaty Toyota tires.
I was gonna say, dude,
We off-roading with this
some
a little
crazy
bit?
tread pattern.
Yeah.
I wanted an all-season tire because we drive our cars all around
That
the
is
year. You know
true.
what I'm saying?
This probably will be a winter car for you, realistically.
Yeah.
If you
I keep it. Should I keep it? I talked about selling it in the other video.
Yeah.
Aiden's
Wait.
shaking.
Please keep it.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, Steve, please keep it.
Zelda, if I should keep it, speak.
Was that a yes or a no? I don't know. I've got a sweat.
Zelda, you want in there? Let's take her for a ride.
Sit, Zelda, sit. Good girl, good sit. Want to go inside? Come in.
Come on, Zelda, get in there.
There we go.
Just tossed her.
There we go.
Dude.
Just kill him.
She landed with grace. What does the trunk look like in this thing?
Huge.
Now you should go in there and see if you can fit in there.
Dude, happily.
You 100%
Go back to that
can.
TikTok. I could live in there.
Do it. Oh, that's right. You already went into
that TikTok. Dude, easily. Close it.
I see ya.
Oh, don't worry. Dude, you could fit in there with Jack.
Dude, there's space for me in there too.
Close.
Trash.
Oh, wait.
Should We're gonna grab lunch, lock this up. Boom. And we'll catch up when the next car arrives in just a little bit. Bro, I have had this thing for like 12 hours and this is amazing. This is so awesome, in fact, that we're gonna have to take you guys for a ride on this. You have to hang around and just see how crazy this thing is. The new Escalade V-Series, folks.
Doesn't know justice. I heard it today under a tunnel and it sounded like a machine gun.
This is a $173,000 SUV. It's literally a 6,000 pound SUV that does 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. And we're gonna show you just how to do that with launch mode and some other stuff. Let's go, big boy. Let's do a nice hard turn. This is a full-size Cadillac SUV.
That's so crazy to me.
This is pretty much the fastest 7-passenger vehicle that money can buy, I think. Tis huge and fast. 670 something horsepower. Supercharged.
That's
very
crazy.
nice.
I'm
Yes.
just like smiling back here.
I know.
It's so cool.
And it makes launch mode nice and easy. Some cars like my old M5, like 9 steps to get that thing in the launch mode. This thing, you just make sure it's in V mode. Brake torque, hold the gas until the little, you hold the gas for about 5 seconds. The little, what is it called? Traction control light will come on and then it's ready to go. So it actually shuts traction control off for the launch automatically on its own. It's
This
pretty
car is
sick.
a Super Cruise, which your last car didn't.
Yes, the only thing I wanted in the other car, it's why I ordered the Escalade was for the Super Cruise and they didn't make it happen. Boom. And it shifts so fast.
Oh my god, Tommy. This is an Escalade, dude.
The shifting is like a blink. It's almost like it has a, I wonder if it has a clutch.
Is it dual clutch?
It sounds like it's a
don't
dual
know.
clutch.
It sounds like it.
Doesn't-
I can't believe how fast it is and how good it sounds.
I know, right?
That sounds so bad.
That's, oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
So fast. This is gonna be driven a lot. My daily game is elevating so much that it's making it harder to drive the super and hypercars. I'm just saying.
See, that
It's a
to
good
me
problem
blows
to
my
have.
mind.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
not a bad problem to have.
Yeah.
It isn't. I mean, we got the Jeep 392. That's pure American muscle.
Oh yeah.
Escalade V now. I can take the family to the airport and haul ass. Get there in 16 minutes. Got the Tesla Model X, which you can cruise into the city, just throw it on autopilot, be on your phone the entire time. And then you have the Lamborghini Urus, which gets you the class, the clout, and speed.
I wonder how Super Cruise will hold up to autopilot.
It'd be nice if it worked on anything other than highways, because I've tried it on like 12 different streets, and the only thing it worked on was a highway.
I bet it will with time. I just think they need to map it out.
And Tommy did try Super Cruise on the highway. He drove it a little bit earlier, and it did stay in the lanes really nice, pace the cars. It just doesn't change lanes like the Tesla does. Ah, hell yeah. That's so loud. Oh, my mind is blown. I remember seeing when they said this was released, same with the Rubicon 392, where I'm like, a regular civilian vehicle that's already an awesome vehicle, and then they're going and throwing some stupid motor in it, of course. If they did a minivan, if they did the Pacifica with the 392.
Yes. No, did you not
They
see like the
talked about
renders
it.
they did about the
I
Hellcat
know.
minivan?
Oh, you can smell the brakes. It has the Brembo 6-piston brake calipers, and you smell them. Let's do a brake test. Good brakes. That was electrical.
Dude, that's so loud.
Let's just watch it when we're not trying. That's it.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what I wanted.
That was mid threes.
Yeah, you were
Mid-threes is the
up
money.
in like the fives.
That's like the tunnel earlier today, and it sounded like the Senna. It was nuts.
There you have it, folks. Two of the most badass daily drivers that money can buy, the Phantom Mansory and the Escalade V-Series. And I will be busy in both of those vehicles. Thanks, as always, for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.